then let me show you over here the rail.
Fixing holes like that.
Yeah, so I've got a list of all, what needs what. Oh, right here.
Okay, okay.
That needs to be fixed.
Yeah, see, we had to put the torch on it, get it back in.
Yeah,
get it back in and weld it. Yeah, that can be fixed. That's just what that is. Just over time, the weld that was on there broke and it kept pulling and it just stretched it. That's all it was.
Sir.
But that type of stuff happens.
Yeah, and then on what we're gonna do.
Man, another service call. I think I'm finna get some good work from them.
Let's see, this one here, 2 bands, so that's
so something.
That's a door, I think, as well. I try to get them all in one area just to make it easier for you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I can do whatever you need done. I mean, because like sometimes you might need some ramps to be repaired.
Yeah,
from the frames.
Nice little contract just to, for maintenance down the road. But I've got 12 bins that just need to be fixed now.
Yeah, I'm open.
And then,
I'm ready.
Let me show you this one down here. Yeah, so